Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno Channel, and today we'll see Word. And Word we have seen many views and tabs. So regarding WordPad, and I have given WordPad and MS Word. So today we'll see the reference and mailings. First we'll see mail merge, how to do it. It's very important task for class 9th and 10th class students. So when you are whoever taken IT, it's very important. They supposed to be learn mailings, okay, mail merge. So let us start here. I will be tell you 5 to 6 main basic points will be there to how to create the mail merge. So first we'll start here. You can see here mail merge. So first I'll create here start mail merge option. So when I click here, there is a 5 6 options will be there, 6 steps. So under many different categories will be there. So which kind of you want, you can take. See, when you select mail merge, you want to be letter or email or envelopes or labels, directory. So depend upon you can take. See, I am taking here letter. So I'll be make you do the letter. Okay. First, if you take a letter, you have to be write one letter on content should be there. Okay. Suppose I'll be take two. I'll write. Okay. Then some address will be there. Okay. Subject I'll write regarding mark sheet application, or you can be say appointment order mark sheet application. So you can be regarding which kind of letter you want, you can be take here, and here you can be write the subject. It will take time, so I'll be copy from other one. So because it will be save your time. See, I have some content here, so I'll be copy from here and I'll be paste there. Because if you whatever you want to be write, you can write the letter. Okay. So this mail merge is using for the multiple giving. So if you want to be send one same letter to the multiple people, then you can be send. See, I'll go home and I'll be do the formatting. So like font style, which kind of you want. Okay, text styles and size. So you can be change. For regarding this, already I have given video. You can be seen subscription. Okay, in the description is already given links, all links. So this one letter is there, you can be make. If you feel more, then you can be cut it somewhat. Okay. However you want, you can be make modify of your letters. Okay, colors, art, whatever you want, date, something. So that when you prepared, then again go to the mailings. So then you have to be select recipients. So okay, how many people are whom you want to be send, there have to be click here. When you click select recipients, so there is a three option will be there. Okay, three option. One is type a new list or use an existing list. Type new list means you want to be make new people's new one. Okay, and you can go for use existing, already it is there. So I'll go for new for better to understand you. Just you go type new list. Okay, when you click, one more dialog box will appear here. Here all dialog box will be the default one. You can see here new entry. If you want to be keep new entry, find, delete entry, customize. Customized columns means already some kind of category columns are there. You can see here title, first name, second, last name, company name, address. So you can be modify as per requirement. See, I'll go here customize columns. So when I select customize columns, here category list will be there. So here whichever you want, you can keep, otherwise you can be delete it or you can be add. See, suppose I don't want title, I can be delete here. Okay, if I want something add, you can be add here. See, I'll take first name, last name, company name I don't want. Okay, whichever you want, I'm taking only 3 4. You can be take more. Okay, city or state. So I'm deleting many of them because it will take a lot of time. So here what happened, so how many category you want to be take. Okay, you can take remaining, you can be delete here. Okay, one deleting option here. And one more option, you can be keep as rename also you can use. See, if you want to be add someone else, see, like you can write here your mobile number. I am typing here mobile number. Okay, now that I am typing, you can be add here. Okay, you can see here add or you can be delete. Okay, so again rename. See, address line is there. If you want to be keep the rename, just you go rename option. Address line one is there. Just I'll be keep here address. Okay, just I'll keep here address. Okay, when I click everything or customize is over as per your requirement, then you have to be up and move up also. You can do first name you want, last second, last name first time. You can be up and down, you can move, otherwise you can be click OK. So when you click only here, you can see first name, last name, address, city. Whichever columns we customize, it's showing you. So there you can be used, no, don't use any enter like this, just you can use the tab. See, first name I'll write here, first I'll take Rahul. Okay, next I'll write last name Pandey. So when you're writing, you write make list. Okay, address you can be type HYD, or city also you can say HYD Hyderabad. Okay, next you same is tab. Again you'll write here Parthiv. Okay, you can write any name, just you may click Parthiv. Okay, Lamba surname. Okay, it's Vijayawada. Okay, you can write. So address list you should be you should be prepared properly, and you can be city say short name I'm writing Vijayawada. Okay, I can writing one more. Okay, then city last name is Rajgiri, and one city is Bidar. So you can be type full details of that address. Okay, after finishing the list, you can be make how many people you want to be send the same letter. You can use and click after OK. Okay, when you click is OK, then you have to be save. So same address will be, you can be repeated sending somebody. So I'll be save here address list. Address list I can use. See here address list I can be saved anywhere. So I will be save in desktop. So depend upon your location you can be set. Okay, so I'll be on desktop, I'm saving here. See address list on desktop, save. Okay, this is save over. So I think it's you understand now how to start mail merge recipients and edit recipient list. So if you want to be edit, if you have done some mistakes or you want to be add somewhat, you can click here edit recipient. See, this is already, this is a data source we already created. So here if you want to be change somewhat, just you data source click and click here edit. Okay, you want to be change somewhat, say I want to change here this Vijay is just a rate, I want to write here Vijayawada. So I have changed and click OK, or you can be go for same new entry, find, delete entry, customize. Okay, so it has been address is changed, you can see here is Vijayawada. So like this, if you have any editing you can do and click OK. So afterwards you have to be see I want to be where I want to be entered, I supposed to be go there. So where I want to be entered here, sorry, I start mail merge recipient here. So you want to be enter, just you have to click here. See, suppose I want to be entered here. Okay, just okay above, or it can be here. Okay, if you want to be edit and if you want to be insert field, so already creation is over, you want to be insert, just you go here and which you want to insert. So you can be insert your first name. Okay, press enter. Again go insert field last name and press enter. Again go for insert field address, enter, and you can for here city. So already we have second free. And if you want to make here font style, okay, line gap also you can be make the line gap, or you can be check go home and you can be here line spacing is there, one already is there, or if you want to be remove space afterwards, okay, like this. So depend upon your content and font styles also it can be changed, font size also it can be changed. Okay, as per your requirement you can be changed. And go to the mailings. Okay, you want to be see the preview, just you click here, this is preview option. So when you click here it's coming Rahul. Okay, one is there, and you can see here as next you want, next you can see Parthiv, next you want bit 2 you can write bit 2. So this is first sense you can be root. So if you want to be make finish out, or you want to be see now, when I see only one paper is coming, how many content we made, three address we made. If you want to make finish up merge, you can be click here small find recipient is there, if you click you can be find the name. Okay, or check of errors you can be check it. And here is the mail merge option, finish one, just to click finish. There are three categories, one is individual and another is for uh, for print purpose, and another is for email messaging. So first I'll take individual category, so it will be give print of 1:1. When you click there, it will ask the option all or current or from to. So if you want to give a specific you can give, otherwise I will take here all. When I take all papers will be print. So how many address, how many names are I prepared? So this, that many letters will be there. You can see one second, this is second, and one more third, because we already prepared only for three categories. So like this, you how many you want, you can be prepare address, but content will be same and it will be copy of multiply. So how many copies you want to send, you can be prepare the address list, then you can be send to you everyone same content. Okay, this is used for company appointments or any orders, so it will be helpful you. So I hope you have understand well about mail merging. So please comment and subscribe our channel for more best videos.